It endeavors to vitalize the national brand. It pursues individual innovation. It rises in the city. It fully loads the hope of the Chinese elevator industry. It continuously breaks through monopoly of foreign brands. It equally competes with the first-class international brands. Its grand strategy faces a bright future. It composes a big layout that influences the times. This is the very Canny elevator. Canny Elevator Headquarters Industrial Zone covers an area of 280,000 square meters. Chengdu Canny Energy-Saving Elevator Industry Zone covers an area of 472,900 square meters. Zhejiang River Delta Elevator Industry Zone covers an area of 126,200 square meters. Canny has 35 domestic branches and service centers, 45 overseas sales agency networks. Soaring Canny Elevator, 15th Anniversary Developments of Canny Elevator. After the third plenary session of the 11th CPC Central Committee, the conditions of the Chinese economic society go through a historical change. The Chinese elevator industry enters into high-speed developments. In the later 20 years, the individual national brand starts a new journey through the continuous absorption, study, and accumulation. Suzhou Canny Elevator Company Limited, the predecessor of Canny Elevator Company Limited, has been established in 1997 and confirms the developing strategy that is centered by individual innovation and tries to vitalize the national brand. In the later years, the company has a firm foothold in the market. It researches into and develops high-end new technology. It has successfully got a series of the domestic and international qualification certificates. It opens a channel that goes to the global markets. It establishes Canny Elevator Technical Center. It confirms production study research cooperation model that is cored by the talented people. It cooperates with the famous colleagues, universities, and authoritative institutes to set up the scientific research institutes. It lays a solid foundation for the soaring technology of Canny Elevator and even the whole Chinese elevator industry. In 2003, Canny Elevator successfully researched into and developed TWJ 1000 1.0 JXW machine room-less elevator that leads the domestic standard. Its power failure emergency rescue operation device fills the advanced international level in machine room-less technology. In 2004, Canny Elevator successfully and individually researched into and developed KLT 30° 1000 heavy-duty public traffic type escalator with the leading domestic technological standards. In 2005, Canny Elevator KLK2 VF 1600 kg 3 meter per second high-speed passenger elevator, KLT 30° 1000 escalator, KLG VF 1000 kg 2 meter per second panorama elevator technology has been appraised as the leading technology products among the same kind of brands in China. Among them, Canny 3 meters per second high-speed passenger elevator wins the bid in Chongqing Qinhao Hotel. It first initiates upon the precedent that a domestic brand enters into five-star hotel. In the same year, Canny Elevator Tech Center has been acknowledged as the provincial-level enterprise technology center. Canny trademark has been appraised as the famous trademark in China. Canny elevators and escalators have been ranked #1 domestic brand sale among the same kind of products in the Chinese markets. #1 elevator speed. #1 escalator height. #1 testing tower height. #1 product sale, etc. Winning the first developing peak for the company since its pioneering works. Canny Elevator thus enters into a quick, effective leap-type development stage. In 2006, Canny Elevator has been appraised by the Ministry of Science and Technology of the People's Republic of China as the National Torch Plan Key High and New Tech Enterprise. The company covers an area of 80,000 square meters. It starts second phase factory houses with 10 escalator production flow lines with the advanced international standard. At present, Canny Escalator Production Base has the largest scale in Asia. At the same year, the company marches toward the overseas public traffic market. It first wins the bid in Korea, Daejeon, and Guangzhou subway and railway station projects. It has successfully won the bids of Korean subway projects for several times. Till the end of 2012, it provides Korean subway projects with over 450 heavy-duty public traffic escalators. It becomes a main supplier to Korea's subway escalator projects. In 2007, Canny ascends itself onto a brand new developing platform. The company executes stock holding transformation. It has been formally renamed as Canny Elevator Company Limited. It thus extends an all-round leap-type development course. In the market management field, in October 2007, the company got Korean EK, Russian Elevator and Escalator GOST certification, Kazakhstan Elevator certification. It is thus permitted to enter into the international markets such as Korea and Russia, etc. In January 2008, Canny successfully convened Canny Elevator 2008 Annual Global Conference and New Products Recommendation Meeting in Beijing Great Hall of the People. It formally explores the first-line domestic markets. In February 2008, the company became Director Unit to Suzhou Rail Transit Industry Association. Board Chairman Wang Youling has been elected President of the association. In December 2008, Canny has been appraised as the National Elevator Quality Assessment User Satisfactory Service Unit by China Construction Machinery Users Commission. In 2009, Canny Elevator and Full Capital subsidiary successfully got online of the world's advanced German SAP company ERP system. It perfects the company's information management system. In the technological innovation field in July 2008, Canny individually researched into and developed 4 meters per second, 1,600 kilogram load high-speed elevator. It passes pattern test from State Elevator Quality Supervision and Inspection Center. At the same month, 0.65 meters per second rated speed and 20 meters maximum lift KLXF heavy-duty escalator passed the pattern test from State Elevator Quality Supervision and Inspection Center. Its craft and performance lead the international standard. In November, Service Elevator Manufacture and Installation Safety Standards edited by Canny passed the Specialist Examination from National Technical Committee on Elevators of Standardization Administration of China. In June 2009, Canny Elevator, Zhejiang University Academician Workstation has been formally established. It perfects its own production study research system. In the project achievement field, Canny Elevator breaks through monopoly of foreign brands to capital city public traffic projects and high-end market projects. In December 2008, the company won the bid of Suzhou Metro Line 1. Canny offers 199 units public traffic type escalator. In May 2009, the company won the bid of Jiangxi Northern Nanchang Airport Escalator and Auto Walk project. It offers 10 units KLXF heavy-duty public traffic type escalator and 1.4 meter wide super long auto walk. In June 2009, Canny entered into Super 5-Star Hotel, Guiyang Century Gold Source Hotel. Canny offers 8 units group control, 4 meters per second high-speed elevator. In September, the company provided Shenyang Dream of Dragon project with 554 units, including 12 units, 6 meters per second high-speed elevator. In January 2010, after getting the 7th one of 10 users satisfactory brands in the Chinese elevator industry, Canny Elevator greets its milestone-style development course. In March, the company has been successfully listed in Shenzhen Stock Exchange. It is the first listed enterprise in the Chinese elevator industry. Hence, Canny Elevator is backed by the abundant capital strength to mainly invest the gathered capital to medium and high-speed elevator flexible production line, high-rise escalator production line, key elevator and escalator parks production line, construction of the state-level enterprise technology center. Its achievements command the attention of the world. Being a listed company, Canny starts an all-around strength exploration. It keeps expanding the industrial scale. In October 2010, Canny full capital subsidiary Zhongshan Guandu Electromachinery Company Limited held foundation laying ceremony. In February 2011, Suzhou New Milestone Electrical Company Limited has been established and thrown into production. In May 2011, it moved to new factory houses to expand the production. In March 2011, Chengdu Canny Elevator Company Limited held foundation laying ceremony. It starts the layout in southwestern market. In June 2011, the second Salvanini fully automatic flexible production line has been thrown into production. It brings about a qualitative leap in increasing the product's quality and productivity. It keeps escalating the management and inspiration system. In September 2010, the company's restrictive stock inspiration plan has been formally approved by CSRC. In November 2010, Zhongshan Guandu Electromachinery Company Limited (ERP) successfully gets online. OA system of Canny Elevator and all the subsidiaries successfully get online. It completes the flow and information standardization of the management system. The technological strength keeps creating new highs. In September 2010, Canny Elevator successfully researched into and developed 7.0 meters per second super high-speed passenger elevator. It becomes the first super high-speed elevator that has been successfully researched into and developed by a domestic elevator brand. It fills in the blanks in the domestic field and fulfills a significant breakthrough in the Chinese technology. In November 2011, the first batch of 6 units, Canny KLK2 Group Control 6 meters per second super high-speed elevator have been thrown into operation in Shanghai Dream of Dragon Wuxi Building. It verifies the perfect quality of Canny Elevator in super high-speed fields. In 2011, the company successfully and individually researched into and developed 0.65 meters per second rated speed and 36 meters maximum rise of KLXF heavy-duty public traffic type slant handrail escalator. It lays the irreplaceably leading position of Canny Elevator in heavy-duty public traffic type escalator field. It keeps increasing the market achievements. In January 2011, Canny Elevator provided Turkey Izmir Subway with 76 units heavy-duty public traffic type escalator. In April 2011, it provided Beijing Shanghai Express Rail Wuxi East Station with 44 units heavy-duty public traffic type escalator and energy-saving elevator. In September 2011, it won the bid of 45 energy-saving elevators from Harbin Rail Transit Line 1. In October 2011, it won the bid of 16 units, 30 meters super high-rise heavy-duty public traffic type escalator, 20 meters super high-rise heavy-duty public traffic type escalator for Mount Qianmen, Zhengzhaxi, the famous travel holy place in the world. It again wins the competition between individual brand and foreign brand. In addition, since the year 2006, Canny Elevator gets outstanding achievements in exploring Russian markets. It becomes #1 sale enterprise to Russian markets for many years in succession. It has been main supplier to Russian elevator and escalator markets. In November 2011, after receiving 22 strict examinations from 5 ministries and commissions of the state, Canny Elevator Technical Center has been formally acknowledged as State-Level Enterprise Technology Center. It becomes the first domestic elevator enterprise that has got such honorable glory in the Chinese elevator industry. It symbolizes that Canny Elevator stands in the front line of the world's innovation field. It reclimbs the industrial peak. It becomes a new benchmark in the Chinese elevator industry. New height, new future. In the early 2012, the management level, which is cored by board chairman Mr. Wang Yuling, proposes 55321 development plan. It draws extensive attention from the elevator industry. It means that from 2012 to 2016, Canny Elevator will fulfill 5 strategies, establish 3 systems, and fulfill 2 transformations. It will break through 10 billion RMB of the production value, equal to $1.6 billion in 2016. Exploration, written by board chairman Mr. Wang Yuling, has been formally published. It executes in-depth analysis to some core problems occurred in the developing process of private enterprises. It greatly inspires the management level in the elevator circle. In January 2012, it is the 5th time for Canny to be appraised as individual and innovative elevator brand purchased by the government. It establishes Changshu Polytechnic Canny Elevator Academy for the first professional academy of elevator undergraduate course in China. It formally proposes 2012's new Swift passenger elevator that has been specially designed for the National Warranty Affordable Housing Project and ordinary commodity residential building market. In March 2012, Chengdu Canny Elevator Company Limited, energy-saving elevator industrial zone, held the foundation laying ceremony. It finishes the strategic layout in the Southwest market. It has been appraised as #1 sale of domestic brand among the same kind products in 2011's Chinese markets for the 7th time since the year 2005. It has been successfully appraised as 2012's through 2014's supplier for designated purchase from central government organs. It wins the bid of Suzhou Rail Transit Line 2. It offers 315 units KLXF high-rise heavy-duty public traffic type escalator. Bidding amount is as high as 250 million RMB, equal to $40 million. Canny Elevator quantity ranks #1 for single bid among vast domestic public traffic type escalator bidding projects. In April 2012, 199 units Canny public traffic type escalator had been thrown into full-line operation in Suzhou Rail Transit Line 1. In July 2012, the company successfully signed $41 million of the contract with the long-term customer of Century Gold Source Group. Among them, Canny offers 18 units, 4.0 meters per second high-speed passenger elevator to 3 5-star hotels of Futian Gui'an New Realm Hotel, Ningbo Bay Hotel, and Hefei Riverside New City Hotel. In September 2012, Canny successfully won the bid of Xilan Railway Passenger Transport Special Line project. It includes 19 units, 23.2 degrees special specification public traffic type escalator. In October 2012, it held Canny Elevator 15th Anniversary Celebration Ceremony and Foundation Laying Ceremony of Canny Elevator Industrial Zone. In December 2012, Canny Elevator successfully won the bid of 52 units heavy-duty public traffic-type escalator project for Indian Railway Station Passenger Transport Special Line. By the end of 2012, the company has established the long-term strategic partnerships with the real estate tycoons, such as Century Gold Source Group, Shanghai Dream of Dragon, Ocean Real Estate, Yueyang Real Estate, Bongsha Real Estate, etc. It lays a solid foundation for the company to stably occupy the market for a long period of time. In the early 2013s, it starts the construction of 288-meter-high Canny Elevator Test Tower. It is the most important measure for Canny to continuously innovate upon and develop high and new tech. It breaks through the monopoly of foreign elevator brands to top technologies. It brings about a great leap in enhancing the product's quality and development. Over 15 years, Canny Elevator is always active in various domestic and overseas elevator exhibitions. It keeps pushing the individual innovation fruits to the market front line. Over 15 years, Canny Elevator is actively engaged in public welfare. It transfers the rising dynamics to the world. 15 years innovation. 15 years breaking through. A bright future belongs to Canny Elevator.